Right, good afternoon and welcome to Obed Network here on YouTube. Mr. Franka Baby Abakodia. Madam Hocken Raka Crown. Walk up in the course of Ntina. But say I reset to be I'm back for good. Inside Kotoko, a job to walk around and pass them. So I say. Na enano matiti Kofi Tompuo komo Kofi Tompuo Prince
so bad
onim Kofi Tompuo there.
Yes,
I follow ne kakra am for day we Avram Ben Moshe. I hope I got his name right.
Yes Avram
On a common sense team.
Yes,
We saw your video been a trend on
Tompuo,
X.
you know.
Does it Kofi Tompuo or
Yes.
Madrid and Kobe bench Real Madrid? One more midfielders ni nyina say he was amazed by the performance of Tompuo. It looks
Yes.
like currently players no bakwa ni din about transfer market in by Tompuo.
Yes.
Tompuo. Then what is the qualities of Kofi Tompuo?
So bad Kofi Tompuo mechanic say a modern day elite midfielder who
Nah,
is
but Tremor you so brofono the modern days I late side midfielder.
can't midfielder we can say omiti coach bia standard and I say obetimi aye adwuma under every coach Kofi Tompuo as a midfielder, a proper midfielder with me pass midfielder with me as a winning duels as a them midfielder with me box to box adwuma na come apart them out no say timi Sasha goals as a assist Kofi Tompuo the so player be very few in a way.
Praise about today. What's it passing?
Passing.
Yes. Passing, then you're short, long, spread it, and now diagonal, pipia to change type.
Or you combined Xavi Iniesta type. Utimi ball passes to the left, long passes to the left, to the right, and also passes a team so fast central.
Kofi Tompuo 179.
Kofi Tompuo.
And also a combining
Xavi Iniesta.
Hey.
Xavi Iniesta combined.
Very careful. Obi a Xavi Iniesta combined.
Kofi Tompuo mouth two nina.
So a hybrid.
Yes.
Okay. In terms of passing, and I said
in terms of the Juma nina.
The Juma you know.
Utimi box to box runs in the mount. To say Iniesta the na Utimi so a mount sa pass na obi here and say uncontrolled game on from deep. To say Xavi the no so obi timi asa yes at the amount. Intina me say or you combined.
And so elite passer.
Elite.
Kofi Tompuo. And now you are passing Anna. Was that guy was we need tackles?
Yes, osa timisa ba. Esa ndo sa ba be we need duels na sa man team don so.
I said more thing.
No so I said pa. In terms of say opponent no attack ya. Uhia player obetimi neutralize your attack no, stop your attack no from materializing na. Kofi Tompuo betimi say adwuma na sa dia ma.
Prince.
Nso Obed.
No, say until no one side box to box no.
Or side box to box into utimi ye no utimi box 6 kakra utimi bo 18 so kakra. Depending on send your coach no person who use Kofi Tompuo bia no betimi ye dia ma.
No so Sasha goals kan.
Otimi Sasha goals no. It famous kwa the 2 goals or share ya obi abe kai ne ye or share Mohamed Kamara long drive no. Now was say Shahasufuk. And so aka ho. Any goals among for the back kai Kofi Tompuo yi pa.
No some me assist no.
Yes.
And I'm so him passing into it me bottle or mo bi na.
Now was Sanso Sasha come up. So but 2 seasons in the Kofi Tompuo 34 games I born Ghana Premier League in no. One mount kra obe mount 18 games. Last season on my 8 teams.
18 games.
Yes. They might be cheap. In terms of say player say obe say nya no the fitness level on sa was so. When you player or pre-prep Debbie. Out of 34, but 18, share 1 goal. Yes, Kofi Tompuo there.
Maybe young corner friends are so hype train. We are hype now, hype boy. Tompuo wasem ena yugusu aye ken.
Fantastic.
Kofi Tompuo. Okay. They say no, he's the hottest kick.
Yes.
When it comes to the Ghana Premier League market. Met me there two and him say clubs 4. Anyway, interest with Tompuo man.
Wow.
Yeah. 4 clubs.
Wow.
Midiama any the children. Midiama. So momo call CAF Champions League.
Yes.
Midiama any di Kofi Tompuo echi. Saso na Diana. Diana sono any di Kofi Tompuo echi. Okay. Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Any di Kofi Tompuo echi.
Okay.
And I had to fork almost any di Kofi Tompuo echi.
Wow.
But me dear, Bichim no Bontino. I think say last two season about 27 matches share 3 goals. And the last season about 18 matches send your kind or share 1 goal.
Yes.
Until 45 matches no Kofi I share 4 goals.
Yes.
On your goal scorer gidi sa. But say this is Bichim United, so obetimi atiase say or core clubs.
Yeah.
Fufuru bia obetimi.
Yes.
Obetimi esi from pa. But dear me tie ni. Last week once Kofi be na kotkoni na wie. Last week say Kofi frame na me say the ma membra na meka di o.
Yeah.
And I'm say enquiries. And I'm nim sa Asante Kotoko.
Aye.
Nipa bi aye.
Okay. Okay.
Enquiries. Enye say o ma wie na. And then na be so na Kotoko awie say
Kotoko wie.
Amu wie wa he. No mu wie he ne enti. Nya botire o. Na my hey amo de mo keke o kire bi na anko esa. Na say na anko for say Ebeneza aba no ma wie na me say there be. Enquiries.
Yes.
And then nipa bi ye. Me can say na need 2 days na e be to just say aba aba sign it. Ti omo ye no wawie. Ne amu nya botre.
Nya botre kakra.
Otokofo no recruitment no be enam no. Oh, and na me kire oba bi o. Baby. Say last time me be kan one sem say omo age limit no mo scout. Ma kan we inside Kotoko. Me say adwuma. Enti for now.
Okay.
Team wa hwira di anim. Locally, Midiama.
Okay.
Yes, nya Kotoko.
Okay.
Team wa hwira di anim locally.
Midiama. Okay.
Also Midiama ma Fuzi Taylor.
Yes.
Eko. Fuzi.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy no be Kumasi nze no ho den for mama no.
Yes.
Na Salim nkomo no. Mr. Abi me da sepa. Tabi o sources wo. Midiama pa. Te no ba no se me din komo.
Okay.
Na so de mamintie. Kana me say no kore. Na nkomo a wo ken me so mate.
Nice one.
Salim Adams nkomo no. Salim for Africa no likely.
Salim for Africa no
Midiama no likely.
Wow.
Nti omo so no hun se Fuzi ko
Fuzi dealer.
na Salim be kwa. Eso mdi Tompuo ebesi anan.
Yes.
Nti we krobi achitafo na mo bisa no local transfer no. Officially kura no they made test concern am for a bid.
Okay.
So the bid. Don't say your enquiries.
Yes.
No about personal terms.
Yes.
And they will touchy player and agent. Na and na story ni ye bi mun tiase no. Your enquiries.
Yes.
Ni about personal terms.
Yes.
And sakra ni akwa club to club.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Officially could confer request in Kobe.
Okay.
Could confer request in Kobe. On the table na no mu din common. And then nipa bi suggested say Kotoko players ni bi wo ho a if the same penfo be twa mo contract no
yeah
sen committee no makasa na bi ye de obi akwaji obi a kebe bo ankomo
oh okay
on sa ankomo
okay and also nya bad
Mr. Bibi was Obed network
yes
na bi a Prince ka wo Akwasi network
yes
Mr. Bibi ma me fa nko Akwasi na me nje Prince mbra
okay
okay na table na no mu ye meeting and na nkomo na e ba na ye say salaries na share bia Mr. Bibi anim no eso chen e bia oh Prince
okay
but Mr. Bibi assign 3 years contract wa ha tu ka say what na e ko ha na ketua na aka no be ne den
yes
because baby episode no ko no mu ntimi ntua na ketua ne ma no
okay
and
so ba be bed na da so
nti player no wonko
okay
so let's say bia wo de ni ko loan
okay
and a loan value of a player no so from
yes
so me ne even fan say Kotoko de obi ko bechem na so no ko bo loan na bechem for me ka say loan de enye e dia oboni yi osan aboma
yes
so they will still demand the transfer fee na person mo je woni pa no no because loan de enye hwe
okay
I mean him say o ti azemna but senka o timi de ne ka ho aton de na e different but ha no aya e players ne mpese wo de me ka obi ho akọ
Player plus cash no.
Cash no. Omompe. Because I had a player who say or a position of advantage.
Yes.
Position of advantage you know say. Okay, so me kwana club nka so ntimi ntua me salary say wutua.
Wutua, yes.
Enya sad ye say me sika me je no de ma me na meko.
Okay. Terminate contract.
Yes, na me ji me sika.
Okay.
Into a player go betimi agini sika no asan for that same club na. No akwaje less salary no.
Yes, omo anko ntimi ntua no asa ko wa.
Less salary.
Tawaje ne de no. Ane. Okay. Okay, ntia se umpa.
Anase ebi wo ha. But no time ba.
Yes.
Ebi only so call betimi a relaunch na ho yie. No ati ase no asa akọ.
Okay.
Maybe a discussion so but most of them they are mom penny sir. Player work up person the Tommy. So about Tommy cry the Tommy na just how sika no.
Yes.
Na koto we no so different. Men nye ka say swap. Enti San common cry ba say be chim boys na buy no.
Yes.
O say be chim boys me nu buy. Ba ko be san akọ no. Na mo de akope Tompuo no enti sir.
Okay.
There be Francis mono. Me come am medini so mo no. Omo player be a replacement. Ah omo makoyi ni low dada.
Okay.
It will cast away the premier.
Okay.
So be free the ombeje te say okran.
Yes.
Okran kono abe free ombeje.
Sad ombeje.
Se na ko twa Aziz na dari contract ma. Bechem for betimi afren se bra.
Sabra. Okay. Okay.
Ba sa wode ni so ska so de omo so no wawie sa transfer na ne abaye wode ya. Uko ene ko yan kan fa mba. That story no monfa den. Fanto baby. And I'm say be yes I'm fanto baby. Ti Tompuo. Updates and my amount in terms of the old lady and the obata den. Obata home. Mamen twaso.
Okay.
Kotkofone ya DB. Omo ya DB. This year recruitment, you know. I bet send an eye on second term recruitment. One kind and eye on second term, one kind. Yeah, catch them. Okay, Isaac upon Nema. Sunyani Nema.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Talk I know.
Me kind of pa, Nema dear, me kind of pa.
Sir, okay. Born and if no guesting a Japan.
Oh yes, right back. No.
Right back. No.
Yes.
So kind of.
Me kind of so pa.
Me paint a picture binya but Robert So that guy Sharif Mohammed from Utrecht, Tamale.
Yes.
Defender no.
Yes.
Okay. So kind of.
Me kind of so pa, Sharif.
Okay. So that guy Andrews Apple from Bofo.
Oh yes, Andrews.
Apple.
Yes, centre back. Yes.
Okay. From February, as a mere feeding no. Nkwala na buy nkwala no. Nicholas Mensah, but nobody following season. The Panther. Boy, na no she go no. Nicholas. So kind of.
We kind Nicholas is okay.
Omo yi boys below. Yi low.
Beti me dey Dixon afọ akwa maka ho ana.
Afọ akwa de onye low. Afọ akwa senior man no. Na nyoma na amfa. There be afọ akwa de masa. Me maka se we maka. Me say afọ akwa ni bo chan eze kopon. Ka talent control. Asem bintia. Yeah, asem bintia. Kase ball, je ball to ho. Yem twaso. O de yem twaso.
Nso yem komo for
Sadio man yem fa Sadio. O kai Samuel Yebo a o coacha. O fan future stars, second division.
Okay.
O ba obetutu trans na later. Yimu beso mbela na mfigi beso. Obe kai o coacha. No a striker.
Yes.
No future stars.
Yes.
Na Kotoko fan ba.
Yeah.
Well, side recruitment no meaning say who follow me wura recruit but follow the American yi.
Yeah.
Isaac Kopon division 2 no be anymore no.
No be anymore.
Augustine Japan no be anymore no. Andrew Sapel no bobofo division 2 division 1.
Yes.
August Samuel Yeboah Samuel Okocha. Okocha na Samuel Boatun say Sam. This one about this is am rest and finding. Samuel Okocha. Future stars.
Yes.
On the board division 2 qualify middle league and on the board division 1.
Yes.
Infonia me chairman say Kotoko recruitment no and am sa kwan so.
Low key.
Low intimu susu ma din akese no ento mutirim. E din akese no be baba me can't say a strategic scouting, grassroots scouting recruitment na Kotoko ye.
Okay.
Low profile, me see low profile.
Okay.
E din bi be ba wonte da. Just oko area no one now could be some area boys match what tenancy and we didn't home come out 24 hours say way with Bob Bruta and you be not Kotoko.
Okay.
My back can't say we say clear leak. Any blue co or more Chelsea for and that's an from not higher foreign. Head of foreign of you. How woman almost for promising talent now, you know.
Yes.
And a back.
Correct.
A be 5 year day and fun. So guess na Japan boy call local blaster.
Oh yeah.
Obi no be say Nicholas Mensah no nimbo.
Dabi.
And obi no be say Isaac Opon ni ma no nimbo.
Prano.
What I say?
Yes.
Apel no prepare chire wa aka ma de. Say na Mubarak ne Gani you bro no so. Ba na chire say ko ko na nim no nke betime den.
Afa.
Sharif Mohammed You Trade Academy.
Yeah.
And I got Koko fan by. O pray na Danny Brichi. Ogum first season Sharif pray na ka say Kotoko asemasi. Obi are in unity.
Yes. That's true.
And I'm a boy.
No crepa.
Sanity.
Wow.
Daboko.
Wow.
What does it? Say Joseph Amoa Modi na amfade. Okay, Joseph Amoa. So be stati Kieza. Bona na efeni Kieza no. Kotoko training grounds ba kon chabo bi asena akosi keeper na chi. But I'm farmer no.
Wow.
Oh. Ahono moko.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Me say the top 20 talent with the lower leagues. Omo hanti omo.
Yes, send them aboswa.
Maka, me say kebi me say omo hanti omo. The top 20 talent.
Yes.
Lower leagues no. Scouts ahodo e dey report ato obo so no. Omo hanti omo. Tie me.
Okay.
He said one was a scout in the Premier League no me.
Dabi.
And I'm moving.
No crepa, is here the mama okra.
You na saje to obo team. Jerome Opoku no obo han. Obo han. Mama so the mo e wo ma bruchi. Local is a blaster social obo han. Local league no on players remember. Scouts ne ba. Na ere no mutime fa player o Division 2 Ghana Eco Celta Vigo. Division 2 ne say okọ Girona. Ne okọ Real Sociedad.
Yes.
O me jakesifo no ho.
Dabi, omo ma ho bi.
Omo ni mu ni asem. Scouts no mo ba. Omo ni boys ne nenam. Kwana no mo fa boys no. Omo scout boys no.
E wa sie ho.
E wa sie ho sorofo ne ese ma yemre. Omo just a sorofo no one akubi e hye.
Ene de woni mi se ne de.
Se no ntina wa fa call relegation. All han ho say. O pe
premier ba
no. Ah wo hye ho a o tete ton no.
Okay.
What is the wafa pe premier ba?
There be sisi ade ni no money so bi.
What's the right to dream? Players on my tone. What is the right to dream for artists? Aka say. Omo person omo bebo premier. Division 2 no krom de you went for no ebo. Yes, oh, Kobisa.
Wow.
Omo de nkwala na ebo. Omo ye adwuma wa ase omo ni sorofo ni asem.
From league na enzo yemfa enzo de.
Nti e ho no bi na Kotoko do so awura no.
Wow. Come on, come up.
Ti ana mo de atum trim ti. Mo a mo twen eyi Galacticos no. Omo de be frefra.
Okay.
So kind of 9 points our first season. Of our Fabio Gama.
Yes.
Of our Agadas.
Yes.
No, the second season. Of our Gama. Of our Agadas. Later no cross far away. Richmond Lamte. Oh.
Yeah.
Okofa mankona.
Yes.
And no de castle brekum Chelsea as mankona bra. All say dem community. Oh to be I saw on the tall Mubarak.
Oh yeah.
On the tall Lativa Nabila.
Yeah.
Yeah,
o de bi buy pa.
O de bi buy. Obetu imoro ba okofa Patrick Asma. Ed ne buy. And ofa Samuel appear tender. I said tender Kotoko this kese na turn free mediama. Into omu to be.
Yes.
Tender. No, one of the best right backs with mediama. Agadas.
Yeah.
Later no kofa Blee ede.
E
buy. Won say Blee free agent be kofa ne buy. Ofa Lamto fa Gama.
Yes.
Say keyeke. Na na ampoza na to keyeke. Ono na to Alativa Nabila.
Yes.
Nti akesefo de be beba.
Okay.
Be frefra. But be frefra.
Okay.
Sana menka no.
Ene ye.
Enti munya botre o we mi an makwa kofa ba.
Wa.
Me say troto the top 20 talent e we lower leagues no. O ma pencil o mo down. And them.
Wow.
Because they believe, say, with proper training, the gap between a self one and slow one and so.
Yes.
And so.
Yes.
Into which me a phobia for ourselves straight a man about the ball. Don't forget, say, we no more, and so no youth team boys and so bebo.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying, Kakrebi. How many clubs can boldly tell us, say, Omenya let a free cut cause or player this season, this transfer? Clubs say. And common maybe you be one chain with Bisano, but say, yes, got quite official letter and the how they on. Debbie. Mon Prince Mamento can uncle.
So bad. Me really happy with the decision Kotoko company for person or more far. Say omode sa players here beba because ya can say enye brebia na was a club we decided so obeko the galactical way no so obeto big players no the sa players naba. Sometimes you need to blend players no quality no akasefo na ewum no with the young ones no mu no sebe ya team ni betimi anya proper grooming e wo ho no it is akasefo no kra no ubewa benya young ones no so omo so ba benyina ba be te sa akasefo na nti club no betimi aton bi club no betimi so de bi so aye ne project going forward sa pepe na Chelsea penimfo ne ye aye de omo ye example ne clear lake for ne ye omo believe say Chelsea need to sign young players no more quality no aye betimi aboa club no going forward se be ya se omo beton bi a no betimi aton de make income so omo nton so na se players na ebi be stay a Chelsea beto project no so with them. It I love that idea. Say penifo your madwen say sika wo honum all right, but omo go all out and throw sika no engum bebre. Kona nsemu ho no, ye hu Asante Kotoko sika no wo honum. Ba sika na players ne de beba no, omo beba no mo ntimi nya ho adwuma. Emfa ma club ni nya so mfaso. Tije se club no sa terminate contract na player na sa jisika kese no sa de ko. Na ba be ye card ya ma club no. But if you have these young guys ubetimi di o ma build something for the future ubetimi aton na ubetimi akipi bi mu no so no ebo ma club no etimi esevi sika ne bebre na afi na ebo ma club no so no omo direction no so etimi akofine etimi no I really support the decision say penifo no beko to sign the low talents na e wa ase wono no ko ebi mu wono ma so Obed the very interesting thing and say utimi share player bi e wa ase wo na one player obo premier omo kuta the same quality attributes the obo premier ne wono eno bia na the obo lower tier no so wo but the only difference and say the obo premier no e wo a plus bi wo no ma because obo premier eni wono ho na wo good facilities a wo dey adwuma ntino e ma ne beat the owo ase no ba wo timi nya ase ofo no now the omo ba na Kotoko e bie project no so kire omo the opanyi Stanley Menzo person wo ye no ye bie so kire omo say ya ye be ye benya good Asante Kotoko going forward because our young boys we no eba be big ones na aboa club no ntimi no I really love the direction of Mokon we say o ma appointed openye wonim na dwuma mpa in Stanley Menzo wonim na dwuma pa
eba dwuma ni bi aka we need ente ho
okay
yeah ente ho kekere asena me monitor stories na na esemitimi bana
yeah
let me guys me call off kakra
oh yes
World Cup on Inti. Bamaba.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Maba. So Obed network is going to get bigger,
bigger
in the next. Oh, Nyabotre. Nyamani abuwa for. All say abuwa punch. Who knows what corner chia. Next what they are holding. To who say akoye tikakra na yendai. Yenimdiye. Ye they are holding biba. Ye get that momentum na ba ntinya abotre.
Yes.
Ahaya necessary. Ye they are ken. One say ye ken. Confident 2 in the next 2 hours will be a
Obi e
na men kan ho
Obi e
yes